Hi guys, back again to show you how you're going to create a printed copy of this. So this printed copy is going to be used so that you can print out this two-dimensional design of this surface. You'll then be able to cut the pieces out in paper and stick them over the top of your timber, or use them as a template to draw the exact accurate shapes onto your timber so that we can create this resin composite tabletop. So here's what you're going to do, and this is also a way that we can generate manufacturer's drawings in with other tasks. So we're going to go File, New Drawing from Design, and I'll just move myself over this side for this one. So over here we're going to need to just move through these options here. So we're creating a new drawing. Unit is in millimeters. For the sheet size, can you please make it a custom? And we're going to need 550. This is because our tabletop is 500 millimeters. It's 500 millimeters. And we need our entire top to fit at scale. All right, so I'm going to press OK. It takes a little while for this file to generate, so be patient. Be patient with your Fusion. It's coming up now. Tick tock, tick tock. So as you can see, I've still got the little spinning wheel there. All right, brilliant. So what we have here is our sheet template. Now don't worry too much about the borders popping up here. What you're going to need to do is check your scale. It needs to be a 1-to-1 scale, so it's a 100% scale. And in your orientation, just hover your little preview above your page, and you're going to need to change that orientation until you can see your full design. All right, so don't worry if it's going to go over the top of those little borders. Just click to place the view and press OK. After that, you're going to go into your sheet settings and you're going to turn these two eyes off, and you can see that title block and the border block has now disappeared, and all we have is this two-dimensional view. Now the last step is actually to print. So it might be an idea for you to do a save first, okay? So I'm just going to call this tabletop render drawing. I'm going to be sensible and include my name and press save. Okay, and then I'm going to go File, Print. Now when this window comes up, you guys select the black and white copier here because it's going to cost you less on your print balance. It's like 1 cent versus 5 cents or something like that. And in your paper size, you need to make sure that it's A3. That's the largest sheet size that we can print. The number of copies should be 1. Yours will probably default to 1. That's just because I've been doing some other copying work. But in your scale, this is where you need to pay attention. Can you make sure you've got a 1-to-1 scale? Now, the first time that we go in, we're going to press Print. Now I can see there the bottom of my window has disappeared. I'll just move that up for you so you can see. So I'm going to press Print there. Then I'm going to go back. So that would generate one printout. You guys, I think maybe you have this secondary paper cut thing, so you're going to put it on your personal account. I'm going to charge this to the design faculty, and I'm going to press Print. Okay, next up, we're going to go File, Print again. And again, in this window, can you check black and white copier, A3, 1 copy, scale of 1-to-1. This time what we're going to do is change this offset. So I might start with, I'm going to put in a -200. I might even make that -170. There we go. So what you can see is my little preview here has moved over. Maybe even 160 might work. There we go. So again, now I'm going to press print. All right, same thing again, press print. Again, we're going to go to File and Print again. So this is going to take 4 different copies to get your full design. And hopefully some of you are going to guess how you're going to solve the rest of this problem. Currently, we've printed the bottom 2 quadrants. I'll just see if I can open that window again because it's not coming up. Not sure why my print window is taking so long to load. But essentially what we would do is we would do an additional printout and then we would move that Y quadrant either negative or positive to be able to move that preview around the screen. I'm sorry that this window seems to have glitched out, and I'm hoping that that's not going to happen to you. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. So apparently I've clicked something. All right, here we go. So we're back in business. So this time I'm going to go on my negative and 160. Now that seems to have moved us up, but not quite enough. Let's make it 200. Let's make it 300. Okay, I reckon 270 might be the trick. There we go. Alrighty, so there's that quadrant again. Print, print, and lucky last, File, Print. There we go. Black and white, A3, 1 copy, 1:1, and we need to move this across on this axis here. So we're going to keep our Y up, and we're probably going to take that back to 0 and press print. Print. Now you would go to your printer, you would log in or use your card to swipe, and then you would select those 4 different documents and print them. I hope you've learned something today. Easy peasy and good luck. Can't wait to see the tables.